Premtobre Kasee na Oshanti kwame num wo hoi de besi biemu bia no ye de bebro na ye to so de hia wo mo ewo ton mansi emu eye nkroto ahodo miensa ye Anlo na wo from mountain no ne ma no ensuo fa no se no fei en walking kan ehunu ne yakro ene de aka enuma ensuo ase no esa akosombo sutade na ye bie ede atomo no ne ma de wono echemu adodo no asai edekọ nti aban ne mpanifo ahodo mra meboa wo make say ne komboni technical students ne de ya ma omu kofie fi say school mu ho no nsuo no age de aboso Adom Kasee etoso.
Our concern as residents is why is it that knowing that the impact will be greater than the previous year, they didn't put up any form of support system to ensure that the people are safe, that the people are not, will not go through what they are going through now.
From what we are seeing, a lot of families have lost a lot of things.
At the moment, as you can see, the effect of the spillage from the VRA dam submerged most of our facilities. And as a result of that, when we noticed yesterday, we have to ask the students to go home.
Over 1,000 houses have been submerged already, and the properties and then life is being threatened. So we are calling on the government to come to our aid. This is the time the people of Mapa, especially the people at the lower Volta basin, are waiting them. They should come to our aid. The people, they need tents. They need tents, a temporary tent to stay in. They need mattresses, the food staff, mosquito coils, mosquito nets, and all that. All those things are being needed now. Whatever that can help us, any relief items at all is welcome.
We just returned from Avime Riverside to take some relief items to our people over bank. We have some relief items delivered to them this afternoon. We are moving to other places